There, folks, in this next video on the solutions for our exercises in the previous video about simplifying fractions, I'm going to show it to you right now. So in simplifying fractions, it's going to be very much delighted if you can find the GCD, the greatest common divisor, the greatest common factor, or not factors rather, of those of the numerator and the denominator, so that we can simplify faster. Okay, and then with less steps. But we'll see what we can do. For number one, we have 18 over 36. So I can see that both of them are divisible by 6. That's the greatest common factor, I think. So if they are both divisible by 6, let's see. So we will divide this by 6. We'll also divide this by 6. What will be the result then? 18 divided by 6 is 3. 36 divided by 6 is going to be what? 6. And we can see that they are still divisible by 1/2, 1/2. So, or half rather. So our answer here is going to be 1/2. Okay, so actually, their greatest common divisor here. Okay, their greatest common divisor over here is going to be 6. Oh, not really. Their greatest common divisor should be 9. Okay, since they are both divisible by 9. Okay. Oh no, why are we dividing this by 2? Not dividing this by 2. We're dividing this by 3. Sorry. Rather, divide this by 3. Okay. That's why adding the two factors or divisors, 6 plus 3, therefore, the we can also conclude actually that the greatest common divisor of 18 and 36 is 9. Okay, so this is also one way to find GCDs, or greatest common divisors, or factors. Now for number 2, let's try to find or simplify 25 over 35. So clearly they are both divisible by 5. Let's do that and divide them both by 5. So what will be the ending result? Let's see, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And yeah, that's the ending result. We cannot simplify that anymore. Okay, now let's move on to number 3. Maybe we can fit it here. Number 3 is 18 over 36. Again. Okay, so I think there's an error in the example. So yeah, we know 18 over 36 by 1 as 1/2. The solution is in number 1. My bad. Okay, for number 4 and 5. So for number 4, let's simplify this fraction. It's a mixed number actually, 20 and 18 over 40. So actually what we will just simplify is on the fractional part. So we both divide them by 2 because that's their greatest common divisor. Or if not, so let's just redivide it again. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Yeah, pretty much that's the simplified form of it. So the answer here is that 20 and 9 over 20. Take note, we cannot just simply cancel them. Okay, that's illegal. Okay, I know, maybe some of you are thinking like that. So for number 5, we have 12 and 28 over 72. 28 over 72. So let's try to divide them both by, what do we want? Let's try to divide them both by 4 for now. So if we do that, what we will have is 28 divided by 4. What's that? 7. Yeah, 7. 72 divided by 4. Um, what? It's near 20. I bet the answer is 18. Let's try. Let's try. 18 times 4. 4 times 8 is 28. That's going to give us 68. You know, no, that lacks one. That lacks one step. So I think that's 19. The answer here is 19. Okay, not 18. Let me change that. Smaller the eraser makes make it smaller. Okay, and then we have 19. Okay, there you go. Let's try if you want to recheck. 19 times 4 is 4. This is 36, right? So that is 36. What we have is 76. Wait, what? Let's try 18 again. 18 times 4. We have 4. 18 times 4 is 72. No, 18 times 4 is no. 18 times 4 is 28. 68. That is correct. This is correct. So about 19. 9 times 4 is 36. So there's a missing gap. There's a missing gap here. Wait a minute. Wait a second. So let's try it again. 18. Okay. 18 times 4 is going to give us 68. Let's try 18 times 9 times. No, not 18. 19 times 4. So we put the 4 here. We put the 9 times 4 is 36. And we have 76. So from 68, it will become 76. Maybe there's an error here that I am doing right now, because we know that 20 times 4 is just simply going to give us 80. So one step further, I think it's going to be 18. Let me find out the error here first. I think it should be 18, not 19. Let's check it again. Okay, so we'll have 18. I know it's 18. 18 times 4. It should be 72, right? It should be 72. This is gonna become 4. 18 times 4 is, 8, 16. Oh, it's 32. My bad. What have I been writing? What was I been writing? Let me do that again. So that's this is correct. This is 72. This is correct. Wow. What happened? I'm sorry about that. Maybe just lost my mind for a minute there. But yeah, let's go back what I did. So the answer is 7/18 for sure. So let's have some throwback. What have I been doing? Why is it all wrong? Okay, so 8 times 4 is 28. Okay, that's not the answer. Okay, this is my error. My bad about that. Because 8 times 4 is 28. For both cases, that's embarrassing. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. Anyways, we got the answer, right? That's good enough for us. So for number 4, we have 9/20, and we have 7/19 for number 5. Okay, and that's it for this video right now. Thank you very much for watching. I apologize for the errors. These are raw videos, so I don't edit them anymore. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, see ya.